Nepenthes Lady Luck, a beginner's guide to this enchanting carnivore. Hello, carnivorous plant enthusiasts. I'm Ferb Vu, and today we're diving into the captivating world of the Nepenthes Lady Luck. This mesmerizing hybrid has stolen the hearts of many collectors, myself included, with its vibrant pictures and adaptable nature. Whether you're a seasoned carnivore grower or just starting your botanical adventures, the Lady Luck is an excellent choice. Let's address some common questions to cultivate your green thumb and turn you into a Lady Luck whisperer. See more 207 species in genus Nepenthes at monsteraholic.com. What is Nepenthes Lady Luck? The Nepenthes Lady Luck is a powerhouse hybrid, a product of meticulous breeding by Borneo Exotics Biodome. This beauty boasts a lineage combining the captivating Nepenthes ampullaria and the robust Nepenthes ventricosa. It inherits the best traits from both parents, resulting in a vigorous plant that thrives in various environments. What makes Lady Luck special? Here's why the Lady Luck stands out. Adaptable. Unlike many Nepenthes that demand specific conditions, the Lady Luck is a chameleon. It can adapt to lowland, intermediate, and even highland settings, making it perfect for most indoor growers. Vigorous growth. This hybrid is a prolific grower, readily producing those captivating pictures. Beginner-friendly. The Lady Luck's resilience makes it forgiving of minor missteps, ideal for those new to the world of carnivorous plants. Eye-catching pictures. The pictures, the main attraction of Nepenthes, are a delightful sight. They come in a range of colors, from emerald green to reddish hues, and boast a charming, tubby form. Nepenthes Lady Luck versus Bloody Mary. I adore how Nepenthes Lady Luck's pictures seem to glow with a vibrant, deep red, adding a stunning pop of color to my collection, while Nepenthes Bloody Mary's rich maroon hue feels more intense and dramatic, making it a real showstopper in my garden. While the Lady Luck is fantastic, let's compare it to some popular Nepenthes. Nepenthes ventrata. This classic is another beginner-friendly option. However, it requires more specific humidity levels compared to the adaptable Lady Luck. Nepenthes albomarginata. This beauty boasts stunning red pictures, but it thrives in cooler highland conditions, making it trickier for some growers. Nepenthes miranda. This charmer offers long, elegant pictures, but it demands higher humidity levels than the Lady Luck. How to care for your Nepenthes Lady Luck. Here's the key to keeping your Lady Luck happy and thriving. Light. While it tolerates lower light, bright, indirect sunlight is ideal. Avoid harsh midday sun. Water. Use only distilled, rainwater, or reverse osmosis water to avoid mineral buildup. Keep the potting media consistently moist, but not soggy. Humidity. Moderate to high humidity is preferred. Consider a humidifier or terrarium if your home environment is dry. Potting media. A well-draining mix of long-fibered sphagnum moss and perlite is perfect. Feeding. While not essential for survival, feeding your Lady Luck with occasional live insects or orchid fertilizer diluted to 1/4 strength can boost pitcher production and vibrancy. Avoid regular fertilization, as it can harm the plant. Additional tips for success. Repotting. Repot your Lady Luck every 1 to 2 years into a slightly larger pot with fresh potting media. Pests and diseases. Regularly inspect your plant for signs of mealybugs or fungal infections. Neem oil spray or insecticidal soap can be used for pest control, while good air circulation helps prevent fungal issues. Enjoy the journey. Growing a Nepenthes Lady Luck is a rewarding experience. Be patient, observe your plant, and adjust your care routine as needed. Conclusion. The Nepenthes Lady Luck is a captivating carnivorous plant that offers beauty and intrigue for growers of all levels. With its adaptability, resilience, and stunning pictures, it's sure to become a treasured addition to your collection. So, embrace the challenge, follow these simple guidelines, and witness the magic of the Lady Luck unfold in your own home.